Hey guys, this is me Akshat Kansal and welcome to another cubic video. So in today's video we are going to solve the barrel cube. So after solving the cubes of like this, so let us understand the cube notations. This is the center, this one, this one, this one, and this one and this one. There are 6 centers. These are the corners. At the corner you can see this one, this one, this one, and this one. Also here also. So there are 8 corner pieces, 8 edge pieces like this, and second type of edge pieces like this which we use in the second layer. So this is R, this is R prime, this is L, this is L prime, this is U, this is U prime, this is D, this is D prime, this is F, this is F prime, this is B, and this is B prime. So let's see how to solve this. So after shuffling our barrel cubes, looks like this. So now we will start with the first layer, that is aligning the edge pieces along the white center pieces and then matching to their respective center, and then aligning the corner pieces. So let's start with the edge pieces. So we will arrange the edge pieces intuitively, as each case may be different in every cube. And now we can see here that our white cross is made. So now we will align the edge pieces to their center pieces. So we will find a pair in which at least 2 center edges are matched with their center pieces. So I can see here my blue and orange pieces matched, so I will keep it here like this, that my left side is empty, and then we will apply an algorithm, that is L prime, U2, L, U, L prime, U, L prime, and U. So we can see here that our all edge pieces are matched correctly with their center pieces. And now we will align the corner pieces. While aligning, we have to take care that we should align the correct piece to their left side only. Like if we should align these white and green piece here only, we match it here, so we have found a parity in the last case and we have to do a lots of algorithm. So this is a shortcut method. So we will align this piece here. So we are going to do this intuitively. Now we have find this one white and red piece. We will align with the left side like this. Now I found white and orange piece, so we will align it here. And the last piece is white and blue, which we will align here. So we have seen that our first layer is matched correctly, and now we will move towards second layer. So I have got my 2 pieces of second layer, this one already matched. So we will see with the another left pieces. So we found this orange piece, this is the second type of edge piece, so we will align it here. So first we will take it to the opposite side, then make this down, then again bring this piece to this position, then again this up. So we found it matching, and then we will fix this corner piece again here like this basically. So we can see here that our orange piece is matched. So now we will see with the green second type of edge piece, which is here. We will bring it in the front like this, and then we will take it to the opposite side, bring this a layer down, then we will take it back to its position, and we will take it again it up. So we can see here that our this line is matching, and then we will fix it here simply like this. So we can see here that our second layer of the cube is solved. So now we will move towards our third layer, which is this one. So if you remember correct, in 3x3 cube there were 3 cases. One was the dot, only center, another was L, 2 edge pieces, and another in this way, and another was line, that was a whole straight line. But we found here a parity where there are 3 pieces. So we are going to solve it by using an algorithm, that is R U R prime U2 R U2 R prime U F prime U prime and F. So we found here that our L case is made and our first two layers are also not disturbed. So now we will solve this by applying an algorithm that we use in 3x3 cube, that is F R U R prime U prime and F prime. So here we find a line case and we will hold the cube like this and apply the algorithm again, that is F R U R prime U prime and F prime. So we can see here that our plus is made at the yellow and our all second layer are not disturbed. So we will now arrange these edge pieces here. So like in starting we see here that two pieces are matching. So we will hold the cube like this and then apply the that algorithm again, L prime U2 L U L prime U and L and then again U. So we found here that our all edge pieces are matched with their respective center, and then now we have to solve only the corner pieces. So we will search for any piece which is matching with their respective place. So there is no such piece, so we will hold the cube with any position and apply the algorithm, that is L prime U R U prime L U and R prime and then again U prime. So we found our one piece matching here, the orange one. So we will hold this piece at our right side and then apply the algorithm again, that is L prime U R U prime L U R prime and U prime. So we found our all pieces are at their respective places. So now we will arrange it their correct position. For this we will apply an algorithm, that is R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. So we will apply it up till then we don't get our piece at correct place, R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. So now our green piece is matched, so we will move it here and again apply the same algorithm, that is R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. Now again we will move it here and then apply the algorithm with the blue, R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. So we got our blue piece matching here, so we will apply with the red, R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D, and now we will move it here to match. So we can see here that our octagonal barrel cube is solved so easily. So hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like the videos and share it to your friends and family. Thank you.